It's lit. Literally. Yeah. Finally, I have good lighting, sorta. At least you can see some of my room. I don't know. It's well lit, better than before. I used to have this on top of it. You can barely see anything in my room. Oy. But yeah, at least I can vlog sorta in the morning. So, and yeah, you can see. I can see better in my room now. I can just see that corner right there. Oh look, my shadow. I'm not that big. Yeah, I'm not that big. But yeah, I don't know. It's 10:52, and my niece and nephew are still here. So I have to wait for my sister to come because she went on a dinner. I don't know. She's stupid. But yeah. See, you can even see me back there. See? But yeah. I don't know what to do. Since when I uploaded my video from yesterday, when this vlog goes up, I didn't do nothing. I ate some quesadillas. I played FIFA for a little bit. I watched Walking Dead. Watched some YouTube. Watched a lot of Call of Duty YouTube's videos. And yeah, that's basically my day in the evening. But yeah. And the kids are watching Pokemon right now. I wish I had my infancy like that. All I did was watch Dragon Tales. Was it even that? Dragon Tales? I think it was Dragon Tales. When they would wish on the scale. I think it was the scale. I don't know. I forget. I think it was an egg or a scale. I don't remember. But that's what I remembered watching. And Clifford. Big Red Dog. What else did I watch? SpongeBob. iCarly. What else did I watch? I don't know. My Friend Rabbit. I don't know if y'all have watched that, but My Friend Rabbit was kind of fun. I think it was My Friend Rabbit. I don't know. But it had to do something with a rabbit. And he had friends. Animal friends in the forest. Don't judge me, please. But yeah. My room's not that messy. A lot of people think I am messy, but not really. I just have my cobija, my blanket, my big concha, some clothes I'm gonna wear tomorrow. My instrument back there, I don't know if you can see it. My tocador. That TV doesn't work. I don't know why it's there. A laptop that came and get into because of my sister's, and she forgot the password. Some stuff. A book. I haven't even read it. Oh, I haven't even read it yet. Is it upside down? Yes, it's upside down. I haven't read it yet. Picture of me when I was little. You wanna see it? Look at that. Focus, bitch. Look at that. Second grade class pet. The bunny. I don't remember his name, but I remember he didn't like us. Well, me, at least. I don't know. But yeah. I forgot the name. I forgot the name for the moment. But yeah, that's where I keep my cream and cologne, deodorant, all that stuff. Back there, my music for my instrument, the book my class published. I'm in that book. It's up for sale. I don't even know where do they sell it though. My coin jar a little bit right there. Jesucristo's sticker on the wall. And this is my bed. As you can see, this is my teddy. Don't judge me, but I sleep with her every day. My girlfriend gave it to me for I don't remember what month it was. I think it was like 8 or 9. Probably 8, but it was delayed, so I don't remember which one it was for. So, says I love you. And yeah, it's pretty cool. I gave her a teddy bear. Like, how many teddy bears? 5, I think. I don't know. But I need to get her a koala teddy bear. Because I call her my koala. So I need to represent that with a teddy bear. Soon. Probably for Christmas. Probably get a big teddy bear or a big koala. Or both. Who knows? But yeah. That's basically... I even intend this video, this little 5-minute thing, to be a room tour. Only... Not even that many people have came into my room. Like my mom, my sister, basically. That's all, and my girlfriend once. But yeah, my bed. Nothing really special about that. My 10-foot long cord. I'm actually charging my phone with it right now. My soccer ball, which I nutmegged my friend 5 times in his house. So, kind of embarrassing, but what do you want to say? I have some weights back there. And yeah, there's nothing much more special about my room. So, I'll see you in the morning, I guess. Unless I turn it on in the middle of the night and says, I had a dream. So, I'll see you in the morning. So, yeah. Good night. Or maybe good night when you're watching this. But who knows, right? So, yeah. Good night. Good morning, vlog. It's 8:48. And I have my appointment at 10:50. So I'm going to be leaving at 10:30. So I have an hour or so to like eat, play games. So feels good not to go to school. But then it feels bad because you know you're going to get a shit ton of work. But I'll enjoy the moment because I didn't do my homework because I'm going to do it today. So yeah. I'll probably eat right now in this moment that I have of liberty before I get put on a diet again. But yeah, hopefully everything goes well. And yeah, see, I like this lighting. Now I could vlog in the morning. But yeah, I don't know what. My nephew's asleep. Probably gonna watch The Walking Dead, 1 episode right now. Cause there's nothing else to do. I could eat and watch the episode. So, multitasking. Be right back. So I'm back from the doctor now, and yeah, it was kind of pointless to go, but at least I went and I missed a day of school. But all they really wanted to know was if I was feeling well, and they said if maybe I would have had the same thing as my dad, maybe, I don't know, but I don't think so. Supposedly maybe if he had a big heart, he might have, that's why he might have passed, but maybe then again it was because of him smoking, being obese, having high blood pressure and all that stuff, so it might be because of that also. But they just want to make sure, because heart disease has been in his family for a while, so they want to make sure that I'm okay, and my sister, because my sister, she's never been checked, never. It's wind. I'm on the trampoline right now, as you can see. Where's the dogs? Can you see them? Yeah, there's Peluche. And Peluche's drinking water. You can see the chickens maybe. I don't know. We'll show you the chickens in a minute. But yeah, there's nothing much different today. But much everything. It was kind of, I don't know. I watched Zootopia while I was waiting, so that was fun. But then again, everyone has watched Zootopia, maybe, if they're on Netflix the whole day, so I don't know. So yeah, time to show y'all the dogs. Y'all want to see the dogs and chickens? Yeah, y'all want to see Pancho? So this is the chickens. That's big ass Pancho. It's kind of fat. Look at him. Look at him. So fat. So look at that. He's as big as a turkey. We have two roosters, although one kind of old. Where is he? He's the older one. He's kind of the younger one, although this one looks like the biggest one, but he's the one that mates. He's just there to eat forever. And yeah, want to see the dogs now? Let's go look for the dogs. I'm at my sister's house currently, so this is why the backyard is so messy. Oh look, a maca. Look, what's that? There's a lot of wind if y'all haven't noticed yet. Look, it's Pelusa. There's Pelusa. And then there he has Peluche under the chair. Look at him. So dirty. Is that Peluche? Look at him. Purugento. Stay with the ball. She likes playing with this ball. She likes playing with every human toy. Not regular dog toys. Alright, Pelusa. Go for it, Peluche. Okay. Huh? Vamos. Woo. Purgento. Mete. Fíjate. Listo. Go. Not you, Pelusa. Where's the ball? Get the ball, get the ball, get the ball. But yeah, these are the pets. Pelusa. Ugly as Peluche. Right, Peluche? You're ugly? And Pancho and the chickens. We didn't name the other chickens, we just named Pancho. But yeah, this is my favorite. She's my favorite. Right, Pelusa? You're my favorite? Siente. No? Okay. Don't jump. Siente. Sit. See? I taught her how to sit. ¿Verdad? ¿Verdad? Ay.